So guys, we are about to numb the brows now, the face now. Sorry, I'm used to microblading. So we're about to numb the face now before we start the microneedling. So this is the Brow Daddy Yakky numb. So watch how we numb the face now. So when you're applying the numb, we need a thick layer a bit. Turn your face to the left. Can you move to the other side? Rachel, move to the other side. So you make sure you numb all the way to the chin down there. This side. So guys, this is what we have here. For you, when after numbing the brows, you will need either of this film wrap. You can use the bigger one. So if you can't find the bigger one, you can use the smaller one. The smaller one we usually use for microblading to numb the brows, and you can also use it for the face. So where this bigger one will cover a large space at once. All you need to do is just cut the size that will fit where you are applying the numb on. You can actually use this on the body too. Maybe you're numbing the body, or you're numbing the face, or you're numbing any part of the body. So let's check it out how we're going to do it. And as you can see, the smaller one, you can see how it is. So you have to roll it all over the face before you can get satisfied. And it has a blade on the body, as you can see. It has a blade on the body where you can cut the wrap. So guys, I'm going to trim the high area now. If you can do this before you numb, before you apply the wrap, fine. Just know you should be careful. Done with the first part. Let's trim the second one. So you can either use blade, the razor, or scissors, because sometimes things like razor, scissors might be hard to find in your workspace. So you can use razor too, but you have to be extremely careful. So now we're going to the mouth side. And we're done. So now we'll be numbing this face for about 25 to 30 minutes before we can get started.